Welcome to my Serenity Space 2022. I hope this year is gonna be much better than the last year. So the first talk about greeting, salutations. It's very important to say hi to people, right? Bye. See you next time. So why don't you do the same thing to your home? There's a saying in Japanese, "Itekimasu" means I'm home. Oh, sorry, I'm leaving. And "tadaima" means I'm home. We communicate with our own place. More you give your good energy, everything will come back to you. So let's practice. Every time you leave your place, even you're not living, nobody, even you're living all by yourself, you can start saying that, "Itekimasu," I'm leaving. Every time you come home, "Tadaima," I'm home. Okay? And I know some of you talk to plants. So give love to the plants. Just do not put too much water. Okay? Always check the soil, if it's wet or not. Okay? And then talk to the plants every day, every morning, every night. You can even talk to your whole house, like, "Good morning, good night." Okay? Communicate the stuff surround you. Okay? You will see, purify the energy. Everything started changing. Okay? So I want you to do this every day, 21 days at least. It's going to be a new habit. And one of my clients also told me every time she goes on a vacation, she says hi to the vacation place, even the hotel, Airbnb. So I started doing the same thing since last year. "Hi, vacation home, I'm here. Thank you so much. I don't want to leave, but I'll come back. Thank you, vacation home." Your energy keeps going up if you keep doing this. Okay, so let's practice this and let me know how your lifestyle is shifting. Okay, I'm teaching stuff like this in my digital courses, more details. And if you're interested, DM me. I'm going to send you all the information. So see you next time in my next video. ありがとう。今年もよろしくね。